Hey 944 fans, Tim here at CRE. Quick tip on oil pan gasket installs if you have the engine still in the car. So check this guy out right here. These are little pieces right here of waxed dental floss. So I've got the pan super clean. I've got the gasket kind of set in place. It's important to take that thing out of the package too a while before you insert it so it has a chance to lay flat naturally, okay? So just put the thing in place, and every once in a while here you can see I'm putting the wax coated dental floss, and then after you're done tying a double knot in there, and it will pull right out, believe it or not. Just get that thing away from the, rotate it away from the surface that's going to mate with the pan. Get it down like that. You don't want that knot inside. And it's easy as hell to do that. Here's one that I just started doing, haven't done yet. This pan is set up for racing a 944 spec. It's an 88. Features the 88 pan's got the built-in crank scraper. You can see the castellated ridges right here, which continue right over onto the oil pan insert. You can tell it's an 88 by that depression down here in the bottom of the pan. Holds a half a liter more. And we've also got down inside here a trap door, which keeps the oil from sloshing so much to the outside, keeps it centered more in the pan for better pickup. So that's a little trick with the dental floss right here, just to keep the gasket in place while you set the pan up in there and start the hardware. Then as you get the hardware started with each one, just give it a pull, and then it'll come right out with either some needle nose or some vice grips or something. You can usually just pull that knot right apart, just slide it right out. Okay.